Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a hot topic in the world of language learning apps, Duolingo Max versus ChatGPT. Which one is the tech champion for expanding your linguistic horizons? Now, both of these platforms are bringing some serious heat to the table, but they're coming at it from different angles. Duolingo Max, the new kid on the block, is building on the classic Duolingo formula with some AI-powered enhancements. On the other hand, we have ChatGPT, the text-generating behemoth that's been turning heads with its ability to hold conversations and even translate languages. So, the question is, which one comes out on top? Is it Duolingo Max with its gamified lessons and personalized feedback, or ChatGPT with its raw conversational power and ability to provide explanations? We're going to break it all down, compare their features, and see which one deserves a spot on your home screen. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the user experience. Duolingo has always been known for its clean, colorful, and, let's be honest, kind of cute interface. And with Duolingo Max, they haven't messed with that winning formula too much. It's still very much the Duolingo you know and maybe even love, but with a fresh coat of paint, just a little more modern and sleek. ChatGPT, on the other hand, well, it's got that classic chatbot vibe. It's simple, straightforward, and gets straight to the point. You type in your query, hit enter, and boom, ChatGPT spits back a response. No fancy graphics or animations here, just pure, unadulterated text-based interaction. Now, both approaches have their pros and cons. Duolingo Max's gamified approach, with its points, rewards, and progress bars, can be super motivating for some learners. But for others, it might feel a little bit childish or even distracting. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is all business. It's clean, it's minimal, and it lets you focus on the task at hand, which is learning a new language. It really just depends on your personal preference. Now let's get into the meat of things. How effective are these platforms at actually teaching you a language? Duolingo's bread and butter have always been their bite-sized lessons that focus on vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. And with Duolingo Max, they've added 2 new AI-powered features. Explain My Answer and Role Play. Explain My Answer does exactly what it says on the tin. Got a question about why your answer was wrong? You can ask Duolingo's AI for clarification. Roleplay, on the other hand, lets you practice your conversational skills in a simulated environment. It's like having a digital language partner available 24/7. Pretty cool, right? ChatGPT, on the other hand, takes a more conversational approach. You can literally ask it anything related to the language you're learning. Need a grammar explanation? Just ask. Want to practice your conversation skills? ChatGPT is down. Want to translate a phrase? Boom, instant translation. Let's talk about how much these bad boys are going to cost you. Duolingo Max is a premium subscription service that sits on top of the regular Duolingo Plus tier. Now, that does mean you're getting all the bells and whistles of Duolingo Plus, like ad-free learning and offline access, plus the AI-powered features of Duolingo Max. ChatGPT, on the other hand, offers both a free tier and a paid subscription plan called ChatGPT Plus. The free tier gives you access to most of ChatGPT's features, but you might experience slower response times, especially during peak hours. ChatGPT Plus gets you priority access, faster response times, and access to new features as they roll out. So, which one offers the best value for your money? Well, it's a tough call. Duolingo Max is a more polished and gamified experience, while ChatGPT is more of a blank canvas that you can mold to your own learning style. Now, let's talk about community and support. Duolingo has a massive global community of language learners. Like, we're talking millions of users worldwide. That means there's always someone to practice with, share tips, or just commiserate with when you're feeling stuck. They've also got forums, discussion boards, and even in-app events to keep you engaged. ChatGPT, on the other hand, well, it's not really known for its sense of community. I mean, it's a chatbot. But having said that, they do have a pretty active user base and a dedicated support team that's always there to help you out if you run into any technical difficulties. So if you're the kind of learner who thrives in a social setting, Duolingo's got your back. But if you prefer to fly solo and chart your own course, ChatGPT's got the tools you need to succeed. All right, folks, it's time for the final verdict. Which language learning platform reigns supreme, Duolingo Max or ChatGPT? Honestly, it's a tough call. Both of these platforms bring some serious game to the table, and the best one for you really depends on your learning style and preferences. If you're someone who thrives on structure, gamification, and a sense of community, then Duolingo Max might be your jam. It's got that addictive quality that keeps you coming back for more, and the AI-powered features are a genuinely useful addition. But if you prefer a more open-ended, customizable, and conversational approach, then ChatGPT might be the way to go. It's like having a personal language tutor in your pocket, and the possibilities for learning are practically endless. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate showdown between Duolingo Max and ChatGPT. Which one will you choose? Let me know in the comments down below. It's an exciting time to be a language learner, with technology constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons. See you in the next video.